Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on the mini player on the play setting on any video on your account on Rednote. So the first thing, click on the application and here choose any video you want. This one, for example, this one, and here you will find this share icon. Click on it, and as you see here you will find this play setting. Click on it, and here you will find the mini player. Turn it on just like this. It will be turned on, as you see. So here it says that after opening existing the video details page will automatically display in the mini player. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.